Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to jump a Honda Pilot 2021. Park both cars close enough without touching, set parking brakes, and turn off all electronics. First, connect red to dead positive, red to donor positive, then black to donor negative. Keep clips clear of moving parts and paint. Wait a few minutes before starting the donor, then start the Pilot carefully. Remove cables in reverse order while monitoring for sparks. When connecting cables, stay calm and steady, using good quality jumper cables with clear clamps. Always attach the red clamps to positive terminals first to prevent short circuits. For the negative, clamp to a solid metal ground on the Pilot instead of the battery to reduce spark risk. Keep hands and cables away from moving engine parts and fans. After connections are secure, start the donor car and let it run briefly before attempting to start the Pilot. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers for tidy snacks while doing car work. They seal well and save messes when you're grabbing lunch between errands. They're great for keeping food fresh during long drives or road trips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Once cables are connected and donor is running, wait 3 to 5 minutes to allow charging. Try starting the Pilot. If it turns over slowly, give it another minute with the donor running. If the Pilot starts, idle both cars for a few minutes to stabilize voltage. If it does not start after several attempts, avoid excessive cranking and seek a replacement battery or professional roadside assistance to prevent further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.